So we were doing preventive maintenance on 5525 today, and we were examining it here, and our belt was looking pretty tough. So we got a new one. We're gonna slip this one on real quick. It's not a fun task. We have to get it in that little crevice down in there, and we got to put it in there flat and get it to cup on the bottom. So we took the shields off on both sides, so we can reach down in there a little better. Getting the old one off was kind of a pain. So just keep fishing this one down in there. We got that one set. And then we have to take it, and we have to get it on the back side of those fan blades. So, oh, hang on. I'm at this all wrong. That probably would have worked too, but we'd have a twist in it. You gotta be careful so you don't cut your finger off on the fan blade. So we got that through. This lined up. Got our water pump over here. Come here. So some of these pulleys on here are 8 rib, but the belt is only a 6 rib. So you got to make sure that you have it on the back side of the pulleys. So all of them start on the back, work their way forward. We got this nifty little tool. The tensioner is 1/2 inch drive, but a 1/2 inch ratchet gets kind of big. So I have a little thing to go from a 3/8 to a 1/2 inch. Then we're gonna put that on the tensioner. After I looked at that light, I can't see anything now. Take this up, lock that all the way on. Check this. It's on the bottom rib there. Now we'll go on the other side. Pain to see, you can see here. Now we're not all the way on to the back side of the crankshaft pulley. So probably isn't the right thing to do, but we're just going to bump the starter a little bit. See if it looks like it should. We got a little grease on the belt over here, so we're just going to grab a towel and some brake clean. Just wiping some grease off. Got on the belt. It goes right by the axle pivot down there on the screwdriver. So it's kind of notorious for getting a little grease on it when you put the dang thing on. It's close quarters, that's for sure. So it looks like everything is good. With everything clear out of the way, before we put the guards back on, we'll just run it to make sure it doesn't want to try to throw it, and then we can take a better look at it. The tensioner seems like it bounced a little bit. I'm sure it's a little weak. I'm going to take this. I put a new one on here, and it was A&I. Shouldn't have bought A&I, so I got John Deere. Well, we had to rob this off another tractor to keep this one moving, and we put the new one on the other tractor. So I feel that this is good to go. Then we'll put these side shields back on. And then we'll be ready for another 2 years of mix and feed with this belt. It seemed like we changed it the first of the year in 2024, and now we're back at it again.